Okay, so there are two ways how you can access your Apple Watch from the iPhone. Basically, there are two levels to this. First of all, you have the Watch app available on your iPhone. There you can control all Apple Watch functions and all the necessary settings. I'm pretty sure that most people are familiar with this, but I had to mention it just in case. So yeah, that's the basic approach. Besides that, there is a very cool way how you can directly control the Apple Watch right from the watch. On your iPhone, you need head over to the settings of your iPhone, and then head over to the accessibility. There's a bunch of cool stuff going on that you can change and tweak. Inside the accessibility section, you can find the Apple Watch mirroring. You need to scroll a bit to find it, but it's there. Inside this menu, there's literally just one toggle, and when you turn it on, there's going to be the Apple Watch screen that's going to pop up at the bottom. This lets you control the Apple Watch directly from the iPhone. You can swipe, tap on the screen, even press the digital crown or the side button. Now, it really depends on what you want to achieve from this, but that's the proper approach to this. So that's basically all I wanted to show you in this video. If you have never known about this, make sure to let me know about it in the comments, or also hit the like button if you don't feel like typing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.